Are you bored with your all-white bathroom? Hi, my name's Helen and I'm going to show you how to achieve a smart new look in your bathroom without calling in the plumber and without breaking the bank. Even better, you can make it happen in a weekend. The graphic combination of black and white is one of the oldest decorating tricks in the book, and you can use this tried and tested combination to transform your bathroom in 3 simple steps. Use contrasting black grout to update common white subway tiles, paint your old vanity in a dark gloss, and then update the handles and other accessories. Let's start by giving your white subway tiles a makeover. It's as simple as going over the old grout with black grout paint. This works really well for glossy ceramic or porcelain tiles, but black grout, it can stain marble or stone. First, use a scourer with the tile and grout cleaner to scrub the old grout. Wash it down thoroughly and leave it to dry. Now I'm going to paint the white grout dark to make these standard tiles really pop. A thin grout line will give a cleaner, more modern look, while thicker grout lines give a more farmhouse or rustic look. Working in sections, use the grout paint applicator to apply the paint along the grout lines. Now leave it to set for 20 minutes. Next, spray with a fine mist and leave for 5 minutes. Then sponge the excess grout paint off the tiles. Rinse the sponge in clean water as you go. Then do a final wipe down. If the grout is really porous, you may need to apply a second coat once the first has dried. For a dramatic transformation, we're going to paint the vanity cabinet black. First, remove the doors with a screwdriver or drill. Clean the vanity doors, then wipe them dry with a microfiber cloth. Mask the wall and any hardware such as hinges that can't be removed. The next step is to prime the doors and the vanity. Refer to the back of the tin for priming guidelines. Allow the primer to dry for 4 hours before applying your top coat. Use a clean roller to paint the door front, back and edges of the cabinet itself. As this is a wet area, you'll need 2 coats of protective sealer. Let the first coat dry overnight before applying the second, then leave the vanity and doors to dry thoroughly. Now you can reattach your handles and then use a screwdriver to rehang the doors. To complete your bathroom refresh, add some more black details like a new towel ring and a mirror with a black frame. So if you're looking for a quick fix for a boring bathroom, the answer is here in black and white. Affordable, stylish, modern makeover. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips.